Welcome. So we're going to look at some results of our program. And I don't know, I just got these files right now, so let me flip the camera. If you guys want to see like awesome credit repair in action, then stay tuned. Okay, these are files. Here, boom, accept, download. Wait for it to load, and then look at that. He's already in the 700 club. That's the date. This is the date today. That's when we got that update, some time ago. Recently. 10 days ago, he got it. 10 deleted, 1 positive. Inquiries. Lending gone, right? Fed loan service. This is not an inquiry, this is a student loan. So when Fed loan service bought it, it got deleted. City Healthcare CBNA. City Health CBNA deleted. Oh, it was a late payment, I guess? Maybe it was a late payment. CBNA again, deleted, positive, whatever that means. JP Morgan Auto, it's in dispute still. And there we have it. So now let's go to Skype again. Let's go to this guy. Accept. $17, $6, and $7, already close to 700s. He can add some trade lines and he should be fine. 10 deleted. Look, the first. February 1st. Boom. Okay, these are recent results. I'm not going to show you results from 10 years ago. Inquiry deleted, Bank of America. So for those of you that need inquiries deleted when you're applying for new credit, give us a call. Deleted, JP Morgan. Capital One is deleted. Nordstrom, deleted. Arvest Central Mortgage. This could be late payments. They're removed, positive, deleted. Oh, the late payments were deleted and now we're reporting as positive. That's what that means. CBNA, late payments removed. Capital One, late payments gone. So if you need late payments, let us know. Now, look at this person. See what's going on here. Paul. I don't even know who these people are, and we got too many clients. I swear they hired me, but I don't even know who they are. I'm just being honest with you. Look, February 1st it came. Yay. 25 points, almost 700. Boom. 8 deleted. That could be significant. Inquiry. See right there. Inquiry removed. Inquiry removed. Equifax Mortgage Solutions. Okay. Equifax Mortgage Solutions. We beat Equifax. See, they got an inquiry. Inquiry was unauthorized, and we got it off. So we kick Equifax in the butt. Navy Federal. Boom. Got them off. Okay. Late payment. We're seeing a lot of late payments come off. Okay. Kennestone Hospital. Deleted. All deleted. Medical bills, right? Okay, let's look at the last one and then we'll end this. I just wanted to give you guys, just show you guys again who's the greatest of credit repair. All these people's lives are changing. And 14, yeah, this person, you know, the first, February 1st update came for Shirhan. 9 deleted. New accounts came on, but we'll get those off too. That does happen. Creditors can do crazy shit. Bureaus can do crazy stuff, but the one that wins is the one that can basically beat them at their own game. You gotta be strong. You gotta be smart. You gotta be a champion to beat these guys. They're not easy, but I just make it look easy because I'm a professional. I don't teach people how to do credit repair because they're not me, they're not my company. So don't waste your time. 9 deleted. Inquiry. Late payment still on. Midland funding. Oh, it's not a late payment. This is a tough one to get off, but we'll get it off. As you can see, a prime example of evil. They're a collection agency, though, but they're reporting late payments. You can't do that. That's because they know each late payment that they put as a third-party unauthorized collection agency, your score is going to go down. So they are manipulating the e-Oscar. Right? Can't do that. It's against the law. I know some dipshit said, oh, there's no law that, no compliance. Metro 2 doesn't have a compliance. Dude, that's a dumb argument. Who cares? It has to be, they have to follow all the consumer rights of credit reporting. The compliance for Metro 2 would be basically your consumer rights. Fair Credit Reporting Act, Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I don't want to bore you guys. I just want to show you what we can do. JP Morgan inquiry deleted. Feb Destiny, I don't know what that is, but we got it off. Capital One got it off. Michigan Mutt got that off. JP Morgan got that off. Midland Mortgage, Midland whatever. Told you we got it off at this one because they did the same shit. Look, it's a collection agency, but they're reporting late payments. You can't do that. So we got it off. Look, see, they do crazy stuff. We know how to get them. It's good that when they do crazy stuff, because if they do crazy stuff, then it's like the police. The police can't arrest you if you're not breaking the law. Just like we can't remove stuff if there's no violations. So hopefully there's a violation. And if there's no violation, chances are if we engage dispute, we will discover new violations, if you know what I mean. Anyway, don't want to give you my secret sauce. CB Indigo Giraffe Girlfriend something. It's deleted. 30-day late. Boom. Yeah. Honda updated. And GameStop credit thing, I don't know, it was late payment, now it's positive. Okay, one more, guys, and then I am going to go to sleep. Look at my fish tank up there. I got another one here. Look how beautiful that is. Look, I made it myself. And I made this one too, look at that. And then I got this one over here too. The camera doesn't do it justice. This is like, you know, $10,000 worth of fish. Anyway, back to this. 26 points, 36 points, 37. That's pretty. It's across the board. In a situation like this, when we see near consistencies with the point increase, we can say that we're going to get deletions across the board. 11 deleted. Look at the date. Boom. Who is this? Omu Lolu. He's been in the program for 1 month. Awesome. I think he's been in the program for 1 month. 2 months. Boom. Collection. Deleted. Deleted inquiry. Deleted. LVN funding. Oh, nice. Deleted. Got that collection off. Nice. Comcast. Deleted. Nice. So you guys see all the dates. All these customers are recent. I wanted to pick recent customers so you can see that this is consistent. You know, all of our recent customers are getting pretty good results, right? Credit One Bank, boom, see, deleted. You can look at the date of when this was made. See, look, the second. Look at the date here. These are recent results. So you can see the statistics that we show you are pretty accurate. Pretty awesome stuff. Speedy Cash, deleted. Okay, guys, if you're shopping for a credit repair company, look no further. Like I said, I don't want to talk so much. I showed you guys like what's up, and I'm going to continue to show results. Share this with someone. If you want to be an affiliate, go to the website. If you want to make money with me, because I'm making millions doing this, if you want to make tens of thousands, thousands, hundreds, whatever you want to do, it's possible. Work with me. Help me build Pinnacle. Okay? Let's build this together in 2023 and all get rich together. All right? I've been doing this for like 10 years, so let's bring you on board. Go to pinnaclecreditrepair.com and click affiliate program, partner program, and fill the form out, and then I'll see you on the other side. Or wait, if you don't want to be an affiliate, you might as well be an affiliate, right? If you can get paid to refer your friends and family, why not?